At Lucetta CI, performance is engineered, color is intentional, and every solution is designed to disappear into the architecture while elevating everything it touches. Get to know the products and performance levels of Lucetta CI lighting solutions. Introducing Oro, our ultra-performance tape light family, engineered for flawless illumination in the most demanding luxury environments. Powered by Celeste technology, Oro delivers superior true color fidelity with consistent, high-output performance. From ultra-tight LED spacing on a 12mm platform to outputs reaching over 900 lumens per foot, Oro creates refined, uniform light without compromise. For seamless diffusion, Oro Cob delivers dot-free illumination with smooth dimming in a discreet, compact form. Oro Warm Dim recreates the familiar beauty of incandescent light, shifting naturally from bright white to warm amber, using a simple 2-wire installation. With Oro Tunable White, precise white point control supports natural circadian rhythms, offering the most accurate color transitions available. For powerful performance and versatile applications, meet Argento. Dense LED placement, tight-pitch platforms, and long-run stability make Argento ideal for architectural lighting at scale. Choose static white for smooth, continuous illumination, or unlock full creative freedom with RGBW and RGB tunable white, delivering billions of colors and precise white control through DMX integration. For direct view applications, Argento Cob provides smooth, dot-free illumination, including warm dim and tunable white options, with consistent color stability across the entire dimming range. Bronzo delivers reliable, value-driven performance for everyday lighting projects. Simple to install, highly compatible, and engineered for consistent results. Fully diffused and flexible, Curva adapts effortlessly to curves, coves, reveals, and sculpted surfaces. Top bend, side bend, and fully flexible 3D bend options allow seamless illumination across single-axis and multi-axis designs. Available in static white, RGBW warm dim and tunable white, Curva delivers smooth, dot-free light with field-cut flexibility and IP-rated durability for interior and exterior applications. From dramatic architectural statements to subtle detail accents, Curva moves with the design. Lucetta CI offers fully diffused light guide panels for displays and backlighting. Built to order in the USA for complex dimensions and shapes, these LGPs offer smooth dimming with static white, RGBW, and tunable white lighting options. Don't forget about our fully modular sheet of performance LEDs array. They can be trimmed to size for accent and backlit applications. Fast, simple, and safe setup with easily trimmable shape options. For precision beam control, True Focus delivers optical architectural control to highlight textures, surfaces, and forms. A patented rigid linear grazing fixture engineered for precise beam control, designed to accentuate architectural details. The True Focus Flex optic fixture is engineered for precise grazing and wall washing of curved surfaces, niches, and architectural details. Choose from 20 degrees and asymmetric beam options for targeted performance, with a flexible design that seamlessly follows contours and curves. Meet Duro, our rigid high-performance linear lighting solution, engineered for demanding indoor and outdoor environments. Designed for continuous end-to-end installation, Duro delivers clean, uninterrupted architectural lines with a durable, robust build. DuroFlex is an encapsulated, flexible linear lighting solution that provides seamless, fully diffused illumination in demanding indoor and outdoor applications. With top or side bending options, it adapts effortlessly to custom layouts and elevated residential designs. Bianco U is the #1 choice for an LED driver with smooth dimming, stable output, and universal compatibility with leading controls and systems. Discreetly house power supplies, controls, and other electrical components in tight or restricted spaces, including closets and attics, with this patented panel box enclosure, available as a pre-configured system or a standalone unit. Channel profiles from Lucetta CI provide ultimate freedom to design lighting fixtures that turn your projects into reality. Find the profile and lens combination that delivers maximum clarity and complements your application with craftsmanship and visual impact. Lucetta CI brings you ultra-performance tape light, flexible architectural systems, precision optics, and future-forward innovations. We are your partner in a new standard for linear lighting and luxurious living. Engineered for performance, designed for architecture, built for what's next.